The make one purlwise left will be a left leaning decrease on the right side of the stockinette fabric, so not the side that we're making it on. So we're going to make it purlwise on the reverse stockinette side, and it will show up as a stockinette increase on the other side. There are other ways and reasons to use that, but that will depend on the pattern, and the way you make the stitch won't change. Let's talk about how to make our little left leaning increase here. So as with a make one right and make one left that would be done on the right side of the fabric, we're going to be dealing with the running strand between two stitches already made. So this thing that is also known as part of the ladder, this running strand, and we're going to be scooping it up. So for the make one left, you're going to take your left needle tip and you're going to go from front to back and pick up that running strand. And then you're going to purl the back leg. So this is the front leg of that stitch, and back here is the back leg. And it is a stitch that doesn't like to be grabbed. So very often when I am working these ones that are a little more difficult, I find that if I push some slack into that stitch and then kind of hold that slack down with my finger here, I can work it a little better. So with that slack here, now I can get my needle in here a little better and purl that back leg. We're going, with my left needle tip, we're going from the front to the back. We're scooping up that running thread, and then we need to purl through that. So we're going underneath and behind that back leg and coming up through and towards our needle tips, and then bringing our purl stitch through. And just like the make one purlwise right, I often will actually use my right needle tip to scoop up the running yarn rather than the left needle or the left tip. So rather than coming forward and pushing back and through, what I will do is I will just go with my right needle tip and then place it up and over, and then push that slack in, come from behind that strand and purl it. And that is going to give us this sweet little, not very visible increase that leans left, but is made with a purl stitch. This is where I've been doing make one purlwise right. This is where I've been doing make one purlwise left.